Okay, the name of this song for the week is called Solfeggietto. So if you look it up in the software, it is spelled Solfeggietto, and it's by C.P.E. Bach, instead of his father, who is Johann Sebastian Bach. C.P.E. stands for Carl Philipp Emanuel. And this song looks at first really, really hard, and technically it kind of is hard, but you can learn it very quickly. Let me just show you one trick that should help. This part right here, it starts off with this pattern. And then it goes to this chord, and then back to the first chord. So that first chord and this chord was the exact same thing, C minor, and then you do a G chord. Then walk down from the G note, and then you go back to C minor. And then you walk down from D. Just a scale. And then it starts all over and does the exact same thing, one octave higher. You learn that, and you have 50% of the song learned. I know that doesn't sound like 50% of the song, but if you use those fingerings that are suggested in the software, when you move to the G position, it's the exact same thing, the same feel, just have to insert some black notes. And then it does the same thing when you go to the F position. Don't change the notes though. Then you will be working 3 times harder to learn the same thing, and then it turns it into 10 times harder because your fingers get confused because they're trying to remember what things. If you learn one way and do it the exact same fingering on all those sections, the song becomes very easy to learn. Your hands learn it quickly. You don't have to remember as much in your head. So I hope that helps. One other tip that I'll give you, and that is when students play this, they forget sometimes that you don't play all the notes the same volume. You don't play this. You play in accents because you want it to have a pulse. So accent the first note, and then the next 3 notes are quiet. And then accent, and then quiet. Accent, quiet. Accent, accent, accent. And it sounds really cool if you can get the accents right. So enjoy the song of the week, and as you go, you'll learn a bunch of things. We'll see you next week for another really cool song.